Disease outbreaks are as old as humanity itself. Diseases like cholera, measles and polio date back to ancient times. In a world filled with challenges, there is a profound truth. When we come together, we can achieve the extraordinary. Vaccines have eradicated smallpox, nearly defeated polio, and saved over 154 million lives. They have turned once feared diseases into distant memories, making our world a safer place for children and families everywhere. Vaccines have saved 6 lives per minute, every minute, for 50 years. Yet our journey is not over. The pandemic reminded us that progress can be fragile. Millions of children missed their vaccines, leading to outbreaks of measles and polio. Poverty, conflict, and a changing climate threaten our strides forward, as the global cholera crisis shows all too clearly. Whether we call them endemic regions, consequential geographies, or hotspots, we know there are communities that are disproportionately affected by disease. Outbreaks can be a marker of poverty, vulnerability, and underinvestment. Yet these communities are resilient. And targeted investments in these relatively small geographic areas can turn the tide. The solutions will take all of us, governments, partners, communities, to continue investing in immunisation, disease surveillance, nutrition, and safe water, sanitation and hygiene. Together, we can ensure that no child is left behind, that every child receives the protection they deserve. With new vaccines for malaria, dengue and meningitis, we are pushing the frontiers of disease prevention. The future is bright, filled with possibilities that were once dreams. Our collective effort today will shape the health of generations to come. This is a moment to celebrate our achievements, to recognise our challenges, and to commit to a future where every child can live a healthy, full life. Let's make it humanly possible. Join us. Together we can protect the progress we've made and build a healthier world for all.